Morning comes at night. I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different yet alike. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge.
Like, share, subscribe, the bell please. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Good morning. We are heading to Tagbilaran, Bohol, Panglao, and with... Hi! Yes, welcome back. Okay, so we are going to Panglao for 5 days. So we are here now in the boat. Yes, and we are waiting for all the passengers to get in, and then we are heading. It is actually like 10 minutes late, right? 10 minutes late. It's supposed to be go like 11:40. And it's we're heading.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Bob.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Yes. Yeah, yes.
Can you stand up? No?
Stand up.
Really? Go, stand up.
Stand up.
Can I stand up?
Now, bumungkag.
Whoa. And then? Can I? Happy?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So I was doing it earlier and it's heavy, but this one they do it really fast.
You're about to be re-gendered. Look at his eyes. Does he bite?
So good morning, guys. We are here in Dormitels right now, here in Alona Beach. Anyway, today's vlog is just a lazy vlog and also yesterday's vlog. But I'm going to show you my sunburn right here. Look, it looks so ugly right here. Right here. Ew.
Ew!
So ill. Good morning, MJ.
Good morning, people!
It's like we sleep 3 a.m. and then we wake up like almost 12.
We had a crazy night. It's crazy.
What? Don't mention it. Puro maglain. No, it was just we're hanging out in the beach. We're like, oh my god, we're watching.
Stargazing and looking for the shooting star.
Yeah, I saw one shooting star last night. It was nice.
English kuya. He doesn't understand. He wants him kuya.
Give me your money. The chase up. Nice try.
Okay, so we are here right now in a beach. Yeah, there's a lot of locals right there. And we're from there where we eat at Hangover Bar. And then this one, that's like restaurants, beach resort, this area. And then this one is Anda Global Beach Resorts. Michael flying a drone. It was nice. Sand is so powder-like. There's a lot of seaweeds. The ocean is not that clear also.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me.
The Anda destination right there.
I like that kind of mustache. It's pretty good.
And then you can ride bike right here. And there's numbers that you want to contact right there. It's 500 for 24 hours. And I think you can rent the bicycle. Yes, good morning. We are here in the One Piece Resort. Oh, that's a nice beach. Then the cliff is over there. It's just so nice. We have to go to rice terraces today and the caves.
Leaves are turning brown. I'm still looking for you. Snow is falling down. I'm still searching for you. I never thought it through. Always thought it would be me.
The entrance for the Kadakdapan rice terraces and for the waterfalls also. And we paid for 20 pesos per person. We have to drive for 2.5 kilometers. Okay, so this is the waterfalls. Wow. And then we paid for the entrance. At the first entrance that I showed you is 20 pesos per person. And then you keep the ticket because they are going to ask the ticket for here. So you shouldn't throw it because I was thinking I'm going to throw it. I thought it's done. But they are going to check your ticket. And so we're walking for about 5 minutes. Going to the waterfalls, and then later we go to the rice terraces. So we arrived here in the waterfalls. Unfortunately, I think you can swim, but I think it's not good to swim. I feel like it's a bit dirty. So it is actually cold. The water is so cold. Now I'm walking. We will take a picture.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm
where you park your scooter, right there. And then we are going to head. Lots of dust. Oh, I feel itchy. I need to take shower very soon. So that's the mountain like chocolate hills. And then this is the rice terraces. But no more rice, only terraces.
Baby.
Are you wet? No, no. Because I jumped wider than you.
Hi. And the baby is.
Hello.
Actually, they use this caravan.
Hello. It's very windy, so I'm trying to walk in the outer little hill, or not little hill, like a chocolate hills. Right here. Trying to see what's in this other mountain. It's like only trees. Fresh air. It's so nice. We need water actually. We're so thirsty. I have water, and for the three of us, it's going to be empty soon. It's hard because I'm carrying a lot of things. Wow, so that's the rice terraces. It's so nice. I don't have a drone, so they will fly a drone here. Hi. Hello. Moo. Oh. Hi.
Baby, akong nakita. May pagat.
So this is how they dry the rice. And over there, there's a lot. So that's that way, or this road is going to Talisay, and this one is the Cabagnaw Cave Pool and the Tibao Cave Pool. And this is the entrance. You have to pay 20 pesos for the parking fee. And the Cabagnaw is not allowed for swimming, but the Tibao is allowed for swimming. So this way to Tibao and that way to Cabagnaw. The cave, this is like the Tibao Cave Pool. He's flying the drone.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning. Like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth real. But it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And so
So this is the Cabagnaw. It is so clear. There's fish, but it looks scary. So we are here right now in the beach. This is like the Talisay beach here in Bohol. That one. Look at in the background. That's it. And over here, look at here. That one, yes. Sunset is not good in Bohol, but sunrise it is. Look at my feet. That one, it looks like a chicken joy ready to fry. We don't pay the entrance fee because this is for free. And yeah, oh, I saw someone's kayaking. Look, so they're kayaking. I wanna do kayaking. It's nice.
We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And so every night I dream it. I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm sleeping, that you need me.
Okay, so good morning. It's actually 12 noon right now. We're heading back to Bohol in Tagbilaran. We will probably take bus. We will find out later and we don't know yet. So hopefully. Then I'm going to show you the room actually because I forgot. So that's the front desk right there. Our room is this one. Yes, one bed. There's some closet. There's some fan. This is electric fan. Surroundings, it's really big. Aray! Guti guti, how are you? Why are you not eating? You want? Yeah, it's good. Come on. Come on. How are you now? How is it? You have a lot of sand now. So good morning. It's actually 12 midnight, 12 minutes. It's actually 12 noon right now and we're heading back to Panglao, Tagbilaran. I know. We're heading back to Bohol.